Let's make bone broth mashed potatoes. Try this healthy twist on a classic comfort food that's just as delicious but has so many added health benefits. Start by peeling 2.5 pounds of russet potatoes. Slice them into half-inch slices and add to a 3-quart pot that's 3/4 full with water. While russet potatoes are the classic potato choice for mashed potatoes, you could also do this with any other potato variety that you like, even sweet potatoes. Put over medium-high heat and boil the potatoes until they are soft when poked with a fork. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes, and it may take a few minutes longer if you are at high altitude. Once the potatoes are cooked, add them to a stand mixer that's fitted with the whisk attachment. Add in 4 tablespoons of salted butter and a 1/4 cup of chicken bone broth. My favorite is kettle and fire. Whisk on high to whip the potatoes until they are light and fluffy. I love using bone broth in place of milk or cream as it adds more protein, collagen, and amino acids while giving these mashed potatoes a salty and rich flavor. Make sure to add salt and pepper to your liking. I also like to add fresh chives on top before serving these bone broth mashed potatoes. Serve these as a side dish to your favorite main course or holiday meal. If you want more healthier takes on classic comfort foods, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.